Hello friends, I'm back with another video. So friends, in my last video I showed you that how you can play the House of the Dead one on your Android device. So friends, the game runs properly on your device, but there was a problem with this game, and the problem is the sound. So friends, the sound is not too good to hear. So friends, in this video I'll show you that how you can fix the sound. So friends, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So friends, first of all I have to do is uninstall this old version emulator and install the latest version of this emulator from the Play Store. Let me show you. So friends, as you can see, the update. So friends, it's updated in May 18. So friends, it's the latest version. So friends, I have already downloaded it. So friends, now open it. So friends, let me show you the game first. The sound was very low. So friends, as you can see, it's full speaker, but the sound is very low. So friends, as you can see, you can't hear anything because the sound is very low. So friends, let me show you how to fix this. So friends, now tap the three dots and now go to settings and scroll down, and here you can see the sound engine. So friends, now click here, and as you can see, the current is high quality version for high-end device and legacy for low-end devices. So friends, now tap here. So friends, select the second one. As you can see, select the second one and now go back in your game. So friends, I hope you can hear it.
Oh no! Oh no!
Friends, I hope.
Others are still inside.
No more.
Save them.
The sound is very much loud. That's the friends.
Help!
Let me know in the comment section that work.
Thank you! Thank you!
To fix this problem in this method. So friends, I hope you like the video. See you in the next video. Click the button here. It's my